Okay, y'all. So we back with another TikTok taste test. I did the original already, but they came out with two other flavors: banana flavor and cheese flavor. Milk classic rice snack. So y'all can watch my other video I did, the original. Okay, so yeah, let's try these and see how they taste. Cause the original was good, so I'm pretty sure these gonna be good too. Okay, so we have the cheese flavor. 160 calories. I always see all the calories. And then we have the banana flavor. Also 160 calories for three snacks. So yeah, let's try the banana first. It tastes just like banana too. Let's try the cheese. They both good. They good. Yo, these are so good. I like them. You can never go wrong on these Asian snacks. These are good. The cheese, the banana, like the banana, you can really taste the banana. It's so good. Y'all know how to go try these. Again, TikTok shop, taste test. I'm telling y'all, go and get y'all some. Y'all will not be disappointed. Mmm. Yeah. Hurry up and get y'all some. They ain't playing about these. These good. Mmm.